Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you everyone? Today I will unbox Huawei p50pro in front of you. Let's open and see what's inside. I opened the box and saw beautifully designed the mobile. Let's remove the plastic then see. It's amazing mobile. It's very nicely designed. Let me tell you another thing. This mobile has now only launched in China. No other country has been launched. Let's see what else inside. Here have very nicely one clear silicone case. Then have one warranty card. I put the warranty card aside. Then have one USB to Type-C cable. This one also super fast cable because this adapter is very super fast. Then finally I show you adapter. This adapter super fast charging. This one 66 watt fast charger. But this one not coming earphone. So that was the unboxing of the Huawei P50 Pro in today's video. Stay with us by subscribing to our channel to see daily more new mobile reviews. Thank you for watching.